Hey guys, Dean here. Sorry I haven't brought a video out in a long time. Been pretty busy fixing everyone else's cars and shit like that, so yeah, it just never ends lately. Just do a rundown on the VP. So here she is. She's ready to go for sale. So it's got all new strut tops. It's got the strut top covers. Brand new master cylinder. Yeah, I've spent a fair bit of money on this. I just wanted everything done right, so it's right for the next person that buys it. It's got like the VN front end on it. It took me a bit of mucking around to get that to suit this vehicle. 18-inch steelies. So it's got 261 on it. My buttons popped out. It's got the SAS steering wheel, Android Auto head unit. Yeah, it's pretty tidy in here. I've done the hood lining. I've just wrapped it in black. You can see the back seats. So you got 69s up there on the parcel shelf. So I've pretty much fixed everything on this car. The only thing I haven't done is change the springs and that, because it is pretty low. It's sitting on bump stops in the rear, but yeah, I'm just glad you can drive it and have a good time in it. It's a very good car to drive. But yeah, she's ready for sale. So it's got Android Auto head unit in it. 6.8 ones. It does have a kill switch in it too, so no one can steal it. But yeah, she's ready. So next weekend I will hook in and detail it. So it is ready to go, but it will be going up for sale tonight. So yeah. So give me a call if you're interested. I'm in Toowoomba. The other thing too, I've got my dad's van here. It's for sale as well. It's a full camper, all set up, ready to go. It's called the Vanman. So yeah. So I've got the key on me. So give me a look at this one. Whoops. So it's got 385 on it. It's got a brand new motor in it. Full Rico. New clutch. 5-speed. It does come with a roadworthy, this one. Yeah, this is my dad's pride and joy. He's in his 70s. So yeah, she looks pretty cool. Vanman. So yeah. Oh, wrong key. Sorry guys, a bit buggered today. Lately I just don't stop. Don't worry about them. I got to go back to my brother, but That all folds down into a bed. It's got solar, dual battery system, awning, dual battery systems under there. Yeah, it's a pretty cool vehicle. But yeah, I'll put up everything that's been replaced on this. I've done strut tops, I've done pretty much everything so it's safe. It had a trans leak, I fixed that. Done the brakes on it. Master cylinder, wood lining. Yeah, so she's ready. But I was pretty stoked with how I got the front bumper to fit. Everyone thinks it's a VN, but nah, she's a VP 1993 3.8 auto. So yeah, she's ready to go. So this is all the spares that come with the VP. So you get the diff, gearbox, and then over the fence here I've got all the standard suspension, and it comes with 2 doors and heaps of other parts. What else have I got there? I've got like coil packs and that come with it, and another DFI module plate. Yeah, should be good. The only reason I'm selling the VP, I had big plans for it. I wanted to put a LS in it, but I've got a little baby on the way, a little girl, so I need a wagon. So I'm looking for a VT VX wagon. So if you have one of those, hit me up. I would like a white one, just an executive, and I can, you know, do power window conversion on it and trick it out so it's a nice cruiser, but a family car. But yeah, then last few days I've cleaned up my shed. I just had shit everywhere. But yeah, so just remember guys, like and subscribe, and we'll bring out more videos now. Just had a lot going on this year, with family and all that sort of thing. Yeah, it's just been crazy. And everyone else needs their car fixed, so I've been working on those, and just haven't got time these days to film stuff. But in future we'll be bringing out a video probably once a month. But yeah, the other thing is too, I saw my old Calais up for sale. I think it was a couple of months ago. Yeah, that Calais got me through a very tough time in my life when I was going through family court and that. So all I used to do was just go out in the shed and work on it. So that was pretty much, yeah, when it was supercharged, I used to just go out there and just work on it non-stop. I know there's a few people at the moment that I know that are going through family court. Just remember too that you're not alone. You always need someone to talk to. Contact your mates, your family, because yeah, it gets a bit full on. But yeah, on a positive note, we'll be advertising the VP today. Hopefully it will sell quick. I'm going to lose money on it with what I've spent on it, because I put all new bumpers on it, front and rear off a VN, made them fit. Yeah, I'll put a list up of all the stuff I've replaced on that car. Yeah, I think I paid about $4 for it. So it's probably like $1,700 worth of stuff that I've spent on that vehicle, which I probably won't get back. But at least it's back on the road, and the next person can just drive the wheels off it. The only thing it probably needs is new tyres on it. I haven't got round to replacing those, just because I'm too far into it now. So I'm hoping to get maybe $5 grand for the VP, which is pretty reasonable, considering the amount of work I've done on it lately. And yeah, so I'll put a list up of everything that I've done on the vehicle. There'll be screenshots of what the cost is and a final tally at the end. So just remember, guys, like and subscribe. And so once that car's gone, I'll be going to a lot more car shows, because I missed Beach Fest this year and Cooley on the Rocks, but next year I want to get to those two main events, because they're pretty big here in Queensland. So yeah, there's a lot of cool cars there. My parents are up there at the moment. They've sent me heaps of photos. I'll put up a few photos of what they sent through too. But yeah, so yeah, that VP comes with heaps of parts like diff, gearbox, the original suspension, an extra 2 doors, and I've got like coil packs, DFI module. I've got a spare computer, can come with the VP grill too, or I might keep that and hang it up in my shed here. But yeah, yeah, so I might end it on that note, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Cruising down the avenue, feel the power rise. V6 roaring through the night under neon skies. Tires screaming, going hard, let the engine sing. Burnouts, lighting fires, hear the freedom ring. In the heat of the moment, adrenaline flows.